So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to increase audio speed here on InShot. So here's my video right here. If I were to add some audio, I'll just press on audio, I'll then press on record, and I'll just add some audio. Audio speed, just as an example. So if I were to play it, audio speed. It's obviously very normal. Now if you wanted to maybe increase this and make it fast forward or whatever, press on the audio right here. Just scroll over to where it says speed, and then you can slide this bar to the right. So if you want to increase it, you can slide it to the right. So if I were to go ahead and play it, or press check mark right here and then play it, audio speed. It is much quicker. So once again, press on the audio, go to speed, and you can adjust it accordingly. Very simple, very straightforward. That is how to increase audio speed here on a video in InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.